go live or post on Instagram without certain followers seeing it. In this video, I will show you how to hide your story and live from certain followers step by step on Instagram. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app. In this first page, you will have this sign of profile, so you will enter to profile in that way here. You will click on profile. Then here in this page, you will go to above to these three lines, so you will enter to three lines on above. After that, in this list, you will find this page and you will go to this window of who can see your content. So in this window, you will find something called story, live and location. So you will tap on story, live and location as you see here. Then here in this page, you will find hide story and live from. And as you see here, hide your story and live videos from specific people. So you will tap here. And when you click here, you can choose specific people to hide from them live and story. For example, let's try and choose this one here. As you see, you will find it on above, the first one, and you will click on done. When you click here on done, then you can know how to hide or story and live from specific persons or people here on Instagram. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.